मैं ज़ीशान, आपके प्यारे से चैनल का नाम ज़ीशान इन्फो। Today I will tell you concept of adjective. Concept and definition is words that describe the qualities of a person, animal, place or thing are called adjective. Furthermore, adjective is defined by
Adjective describe the quality of person, animal, place, thing. Word for number, color, size and shape are also called adjective. Okay, number, color, size and shape are also adjective. For example, the parrot is green. In this sentence, green word is adjective. The smart boy. Smart is adjective. Example, big hall. In big hall big is adjective. Round ball. Round is adjective in round. Beautiful flower. Beautiful is adjective.
This is a red car. Red is adjective.
आपको पता है मैम? These are also adjective. इनको भी कहते हैं 1. Quality, color, size and shape.
But you know, numbers को भी adjective कहते हैं.
Like 1 hand, like 2 chicks. There are 10 children. 10 is adjective.
But yeah, there are 2 cats. 2 is also adjective.
You know, taste is also adjective. Taste means zaika. Example, sweet biscuit. Sweet is
Soft pillow. Soft is adjective.
Example, fresh fragrance. Fresh is adjective.
Loud music. Loud is adjective.
I repeat one more time. The quality of person, animal, place or thing is adjective.
I hope now your all concepts are clear. Subscribe my channel.